In this video, we are going to show you how to use the driver self-allocation feature. Driver self-allocation lets you choose your own jobs, instead of waiting for them to be offered to you. To get started, open the menu and select self-allocated jobs. If you drive more than one vehicle, you'll first choose which car you want to use. If you only have one, you can go straight to choosing your jobs. The available jobs will then appear, and you can pick whichever ones you want. Every job you see is one your vehicle can do. So if you drive an 8-seater, you'll only see jobs suited to an 8-seater. And the same goes for a saloon or an executive car. You can also search by postcode to find jobs in a particular area, and any matching jobs will appear in the list. Tap a job to select it, then press Confirm to allocate it to yourself. Once the job is allocated, a green tick appears on the right-hand side of the job, so you know it's yours. Each job gives you everything you need at a glance. In the top left is the booking time, telling you when the job is due. In the top right, you'll see the estimated duration of the trip and your earnings for the job. In the middle is the journey itself, with the pickup address at the top and the drop-off below it. And in the bottom left is the payment type, so you know how the job's being paid. You can also tap the job to see a full breakdown of the charges. Once a job is allocated to you, it will be shown on the home page of your app under Upcoming Jobs, as well as within the queues screen. You are able to see what jobs have been self-allocated and others within the home screen before you log in. If you need to unallocate a job from yourself, you'll need to contact the office, who can remove it for you. You can also self-allocate jobs through the driver dashboard. Open the menu, choose Driver Dashboard, then tap the 3 lines in the top right corner and select the pin icon labelled Self-Alloc Jobs. If you drive more than one vehicle, pick the one you're using from the Please Select a Vehicle drop-down. If you only have one, you can go straight to choosing from the list. Everything here works just the same as it does on the app. The only difference on the dashboard is that once a job is allocated to you, the whole job greys out instead of showing a green tick. You should now be able to use the driver self-allocation feature. If you are still having issues after watching this video, please contact your office for further support.